Hello dear viewers. Today we are dealing with the genetic regulation of phospholipid synthesis. First is gene expression. The synthesis of phospholipid producing enzyme is regulated at genetic level. Factors like nutrient levels influence transcription of genes. For example, zinc depletion induce expression of genes involved in phospholipid synthesis through the transcription factor ZAP1P. Second is post translational modification. Regulatory mechanisms include the covalent modification of enzymes such as phosphorylation, which can modulate the activity. If you are new on the channel, please do subscribe, hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel and share with your friends. Thanks for the watching.